A Face in the Dark, we had started with the workbook, completed till passage 3. Okay, we have discussed this till passage 3. So now we are going to do passage 4. Passage 4, see the first question. What had no eyes, nose or mouth? What had no eyes, nose or mouth? The face of the boy had no eyes, nose or mouth. Okay. Then next question is, why did Mr. Oliver call for help? Why did Mr. Oliver call for help? Why did he call for help? On seeing the boy's face without eyes, ears, nose or mouth, he got frightened and his torch fell from his trembling hands, and he turned and ran through the forest. Which forest? The pine forest, calling for help. Okay. Then next is, in what condition did the watchman find Mr. Oliver? What condition? In what condition did he find? The watchman found Mr. Oliver nervous and frightened. Okay. What did the watchman ask Mr. Oliver? What did the watchman ask Mr. Oliver? The watchman asked Mr. Oliver if there had been an accident and why he was running. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. What answer did Mr. Oliver give when the watchman asked him why he was running? So what answer did Mr. Oliver give? Mr. Oliver told the watchman that he had seen something horrible. He told that he had seen a boy weeping in the forest and he had no face. The last question. What did the watchman do? The watchman, he raised the lamp to his own face and asked Mr. Oliver if the boy was like him. Okay. Now the fifth passage. Okay, see the first question. Why did Mr. Oliver's hand tremble? Mr. Oliver was horrified when he saw the boy's face was featureless, without eyes, ears, nose or mouth, and his hands started trembling. Okay. The next one. Number 2. Why did Mr. Oliver scramble down the path in the pine forest? On seeing the strange face of the boy, Mr. Oliver was frightened and the torch fell from his hand. He turned and ran blindly towards the trees, calling for help. Okay. All these things you are going to find in the textbook itself. Now, next question. What did Mr. Oliver see in the middle of the path? What did Mr. Oliver see? Mr. Oliver, he saw a lantern swinging in the middle of the path. Okay. Next question number 4. Why did the boy's face look horrible to Mr. Oliver? The boy's face looked horrible to Mr. Oliver because it had no eyes, ears, nose or mouth, and it was just a round, smooth head. Last question. How did the watchman react when Mr. Oliver told him about the boy? How did he react? He was very, very surprised. Okay, you will not write only one line, you are going to explain it properly. So, the point is, whichever chapters we have done up till now, you have done a poem, you have done a story, Okay, you have also done Merchant of Venice Act 1 Scene 1. So any day this month, I think by 10th or 11th, you will be asked to submit your workbooks for correction, because after that you'll have your exam. So please see that you complete all your work in your workbook.